How to fix Wi-Fi not showing or not working in Windows? First step, check Wi-Fi adapter is disabled. Open run and type the following text ncpa.cpl. Look for network connections. If it's enabled, it's okay, fine. If it's disabled, then you need to right click, click enable. Once enabling after, close it. Next step, open device manager, click it, click network adapters, right click, check the device status. If the drivers are showing, you need to right click and update the driver. If adapter is missing, click view, click it, show hidden drives, then check again. Then move on with next step. Open run and type the following text services.msc. Click OK. Scroll down and search for WLAN autoconfig. Click it. Right click, click properties. The startup type should be in automatic and the service status should be in running mode. Make sure. Click apply and OK. One more time right click and click restart. Once the restart complete after, close it. Next step, search for command prompt, right click, click run as administrator and type the following text. ipconfig space // DNS. Click enter. Type next command ipconfig space / release. Click enter. Type next command ipconfig space / renew. Click enter. Scroll down and type the next command netsh space winsock space reset. Click enter and type the next command netsh space int space ip space reset. Click enter. Exit it. After completing the last and final step, click settings, click network and internet settings, click advanced network settings, click network reset and click reset now. Thank you.